Today's the day we're installing the titanium exhaust. First things first, before we go removing the old exhaust, let's just plug in the electronics here and make sure that it all works. So we've got this box full of electronics. Let's plug all this together into the actuators using the 12-volt socket here, which you... Alright, so this is the one that goes to 12 volts. Like that. Other end into the actuator. Alright, let's go give the car some power. I'm guessing just accessories is enough to give you 12 volts. Okay, so the remote has no battery. That's why it's not working. I'm gonna go ahead anyway, because worst case is I put it on and I just can't close the valves until I drive down the road and buy a remote key. Worst case, the actuators don't work at all. That could be a bit more annoying, but hey, what the hell? Let's just do it anyway. So what should I do first? Wiring or the actual exhaust? Maybe dropping the exhaust first, then when I've got some space up underneath, work out where to run this wiring. I did have a look, there's a grommet down on this side underneath that I think I can run it through, and then just run it through the boot floor. I have no idea where I'm going to mount this thing. Like, it's pretty massive, and those antennas are pretty massive, so I have no idea how I'm going to do that. Worst case, so the exhaust is on. It's taken me a couple of hours to put it on. It was a fair bit of work, but it's on. I've triple checked all the bolts. I've lined up the exhaust just the way I want it. It's now time to start it up for the first time. So here we go.